Next video is going to be Sir Spooks again. Going to give him another chance. 7 scary videos that'll test you. Let's hope.
Hello everyone, my name is Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 7 scary videos. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more scary content. Alright, with that said, let's begin.
Dude, if you didn't see the last video, there was 11 videos in the last one, and whoo boy, they were all bad.
The True Cryptozoology subreddit is a popular community on Reddit that focuses on the strange
Oh boy, a Reddit post. Promising start. I'm so excited.
and mysterious side of life, especially for those who believe in bizarre and unexplained creatures. This particular post was uploaded by a user known as Whole Negotiation 1843, and it shows a fisherman calmly enjoying his day out on a river somewhere in Thailand.
Okay, not super popping on the video, so that's good.
Things suddenly take a very unsettling turn.
Oh, fuck. Bro, I would not have thought that looked dangerous. I would have gotten too close and it would have killed me. Would have ate my whole face off.
As you can see, some kind of strange creature slowly moving through the water as the cameraman films. It's clearly not an alligator or anything.
Dude, why do I feel like that's like an RC boat? Why do I feel like that's like a dressed up, decorative RC boat?
Like that. Whatever this thing is, it doesn't look normal. Its body appears swollen, almost pale, and along its side you can make out what look like ridges or even exposed bones. The head area is what really stands out. It seems to have long pointed teeth, and a lot of them. It honestly resembles something
Oh, fuck, it does open. Wait a minute.
straight out of a video game, almost like the Gulper from Fallout. What makes this clip especially eerie though is the way it moves. It doesn't just float lifelessly, instead it appears to drift with intention.
Okay, I didn't really catch all the detail of the movement. Okay, I think that's some sort of creature then. But, I mean, why you just fell out of the boat, though? Like, that's a little bit odd to me. Like, this seems like a setup.
Gliding across the surface in a way that makes it feel alive. Some viewers believe this could be an undiscovered species lurking in Thailand's rivers. The shape of the mouth and the strange texture along its body certainly don't help calm those fears. However, others suggest there may be a more grounded explanation. The swollen appearance and what look like exposed ribs could point toward a bloated animal carcass, possibly livestock, carried by the current. Decomposition in water can cause bodies to swell and distort in unsettling ways, and subtle shifts in the current can sometimes create the illusion of purposeful movement. Still, even with that explanation in mind, there's something deeply unsettling about watching it glide across the river's surface. Whether it's a trick of nature or something far rarer, it's the
I don't know, dude. I kind of think it's like an RC boat. I'm still on that. I think it's like a they created it, you know, and sure, it can move and stuff. That's not crazy. Or it could just be an unknown species and we wouldn't know about it.
kind of sight that would stop anyone.
All right. That was pretty good, actually. Damn it, Sir Spooks, you son of a bitch.
This next video will be taking a look at dates all the way back to August of 2007 and was uploaded to a YouTube channel belonging to a man named Guy Terry, whose last upload was
Guy Terry. That's a man's name.
over a decade ago. The video shows 3 friends standing together in a room holding heart-shaped balloons while singing what sounds very much like the Happy Birthday song, only in German. They're smiling and clearly enjoying the moment, focused entirely on whoever they're celebrating, but those smiles don't last much longer.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag alles Gute, zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Alles Liebe zum Geburtstag, Mama.
At around the 20-second mark, a white figure can be seen reflected in the mirror behind them. It appears suddenly, standing out against the darker background of the room. And then, almost immediately, after it becomes noticeable, the mirror falls to the ground with no clear warning. It's the timing that makes this clip so unsettling.
I mean, yeah, it's weird. I mean, I don't know the context, so I don't know what could have been like passing by. It's bad quality too. Like it could be anything. I can't see. There's like 2 pixels.
And seconds later, the mirror crashes to the floor. To some viewers, it feels almost reactive, as if whatever appeared in the reflection didn't want to be seen. A more skeptical take, however, is that the entire moment could have been staged.
That's what I'm thinking.
The figure in the mirror may have been someone positioned carefully out of frame, or even a simple editing trick.
Bro, all of a sudden, dude, now he's given, that's what, I don't know if anybody saw that. I think the first video I watched from him, I was like, I like that he explains both sides of it. Because he was explaining, oh, maybe it's a demon from an ethereal dimension or some shit. Fine. But then he's like, oh, but it could just be like a string and they pulled it. And I like that. I like that he did both. And I guess these old videos he does both. Oh, this is new. This is 2 months ago.
And the mirror itself
Okay, sorry, Sir Spoos, god damn it, you inconsistent, beautiful mother...
could have been loosened intentionally to fall at just the right time, creating a dramatic payoff. Still, whether it was an elaborate hoax or something far stranger, this sequence plays out in a way that's hard to ignore. It's quick, unexpected.
Yeah, but I mean, these people just seem like they're in a cult or something. I mean, why do they look so similar, all 3 of them? Whatever.
Over on Reddit, a user known as Pokezilla King posted a video that appears to show something very unusual happening on the surface of the moon. The crater in question is Copernicus, a massive impact crater located in the eastern region of Oceanus Procellarum. Named after the astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus, it spans roughly 93 kilometers in diameter and is known for its bright ray system, formed during what's known as the Copernican epoch. Scientists believe it was created around...
Bro, this is all foreign to me. I don't know anything about any of this. I mean, can I just see the video? Yes, I don't know anything about any of that, though. Like, I don't know what they're doing over there, if they're doing anything over there. I don't know what that, you know? So I'm just probably going to skip this one. Wow. Okay, that was a dud. That's okay, though.
A woman named Gina Rigney posted to her Facebook profile in July of 2025, stating that the following footage was captured on the security camera system she has set up inside her salon.
Dude, what is this? Is this an Instagram reel or something? What is this?
The clip, recorded late at night, appears to show some unsettling activity that might make you think twice the next time you find yourself alone in a quiet salon after hours.
Bro, I don't know if this camera's doing anything for you here. You're just gonna see a blob walk in and steal everything and leave. Like, this is not security of any kind. What?
If you look closely, you can see what appears to be a blue candy dish slowly sliding across a table on its own at one point in the video. There's no one around it, and it doesn't look like anything physically touches it. The camera also seems to capture lights turning on and off in the background, adding to the uneasy atmosphere.
Okay, this is just, it's stupid. It's so low quality, I can't even, you had to point that out to me. I can't even see that.
In her post, Gina explains that her mother passed away in 2014 and used to work in the back of the salon with her. She suggests that maybe her mom's spirit is still there from time to time, possibly responsible for small moments like this. For those who believe, the idea is strangely comforting, a mother and daughter still connected even beyond this life. Of course, there are more ordinary explanations to consider. The dish could have been nudged slightly earlier and continued sliding due to a subtle tilt in the table, vibrations from nearby traffic, or even air pressure changes from a ventilation system kicking on.
Bro, I mean, that, I feel like that is a little bit ridiculous. I'm glad he's pointing that out at least.
Knowing the personal connection behind the story gives the clip a different weight. Whether it's simple physics or something more meaningful, it's the kind of moment that lingers.
I don't know. I don't think that one's gonna like stay with me. It's not bad. It's a good. I guess it's like an attempt. I don't see it being like a very good one, but it doesn't mean it's not a good one.
Over on TikTok, a woman known as Casey Creates posted a video to her account in February of 2023 showing her pet dogs.
Not bad. We're finally going on accounts, and then it's a decently small. It's not huge, but you know, decently small account, and then it's not related to ghosts.
Seemingly refusing to go outside at night without a flashlight. Casey thought her dog was just being cute, which is why she decided to grab her phone and start recording. Little did she know she wouldn't just capture her pet's behavior, but something far more unsettling.
Huh, what is that?
I didn't see this eye glinting, but I heard it move.
Hello?
Did that say I didn't see the light blinking, but I heard it move?
Rocky, what? What is that?
Then I saw these eyes reflecting the light. My question is, if this one is a deer at this height, what is this one?
Bro, the fucking this is all over the place, bro. The arrow's not even goddamn near what we're supposed to be pointing at. I don't know what you're trying to direct me at because of that. I see two eyes on the left that we're not even talking about. I don't know, bro.
Why is it staring? The way this one turns its head to look at me, though.
Come on, Rocky, let's go inside. Come on, let's get out of here.
Not too far into the video, Casey's dog suddenly begins barking at something that isn't clearly visible yet, completely fixated on whatever's out there. Casey later described hearing something walking through the trees nearby.
Oh, or you're actually about to get like ambushed. Like that'd be just terrifying. And the reaction just doesn't make me think that you feel that.
Then, out of nowhere, multiple sets of eyes can be seen reflecting back from the tree line.
Oh, okay. So we're saying that's two different people's set of eyes.
In the distance. In Casey's own words, quote, "I couldn't initially see any reflective eyes, but the sounds grew louder. Suddenly, I spotted a pair of eyes gleaming in the flashlight's beam."
Yeah, dude, what is that, like night vision or something, you think?
My first thought was, if one pair of eyes belongs to a deer at that height, what might be lurking nearby? The deer was staring intently, and the way it turned its head to observe me was both fascinating and spine.
Oh, so that's like a deer for sure. So that's what the eyes look like in this camera? Then that makes me think the other ones are deer. Why would it be different?
Chilling. End quote. In the clip, it actually appears
It just could be a further away deer. What are we talking about? What? That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
there are 3 separate pairs of glowing eyes, seemingly positioned at different heights among the trees, just standing there and watching. Some viewers were quick to suggest something far more sinister, pointing to the uneven heights and stillness as signs it wasn't just.
Bro, we're not on flat ground. Why would they all be even? That would be more terrifying if they were all the exact same, like, distance and length or whatever. Like, that's normal.
Wildlife, even drawing comparisons to legends like the Wendigo.
Oh my, okay, now we're just in fairy tale land. Jesus Christ. Okay. That one sucked. I'm gonna say that was deer. Like, that makes the most sense.
A TikTok user known as European Seju
Yo, what is this driving?
posted a video to their account in January of 2025.
Bro, nobody is staying in their fucking lane. That would infuriate me. I'm sorry. That was totally irrelevant.
A bridge overlooking a road on what appears to be a completely normal day. Based on the visible Tagalog text and signage in the clip, The footage was very likely filmed somewhere in the Philippines. At first, nothing seems out of place. It's bright outside, cars are passing below, and a man can be seen walking along the bridge. But as you might expect, things don't stay normal for long.
Why are you singling this guy out?
From around the 3-second mark to the 14-second mark, a dark, semi-transparent figure appears to be following the man across the bridge. It's faint, almost blending into the background.
Yeah, almost like it could be the camera just struggling to like pick up on his movement in time frame-wise.
Yet distinct enough to make out a human-like shape trailing just behind him. The figure seems to move in sync with the man's pace, keeping close distance as if deliberately shadowing him. What it could possibly want is anyone's
It could even be like an overcast situation though.
guess. Thankfully, the clip ends without any clear confrontation, and the man appears completely unaware that anything is behind him at all.
I don't know, that one was dumb. I think that's stupid. You could barely see anything.
Some viewers believe this could be a genuine shadow figure, one of those dark, unexplained entities often reported in paranormal encounters. The transparency and fluid movement make it feel less like a solid person and more like some.
Dude, I hate that. Like maybe 2 people will think that that's like a shadow entity or something. Like yeah, you could say that about anything. Like there's some people who think that that's like Cthulhu's reincarnate following him on the bridge. Yeah, because 2 fucking dumb people said that that was the case. Like that's not the most likely situation at all. I mean, we're just digging here.
Reddit user tbab01 posted the following piece of home security camera footage to the Paranormal Encounters subreddit, where it
I just feel like we're doing like, is this how you would do this? Like, say you feel like you found something like that.
quickly sparked a heated discussion about what exactly was captured. T-Bab explains his friend sent him this footage from an indoor security camera inside his house just a couple of days earlier. The friend says he doesn't remember waking up in the middle of the night, but noticed his camera system's noise detection had triggered an alert at around 1:30 a.m. His wife had apparently heard something as well, which led to them to check the footage.
Why is Buddy on the couch? What did he do?
The following morning. This is what they found.
What? No fucking way.
If you look carefully at this point in the video, you
Oh yeah, no, make sure you look carefully because it's not super fucking obvious.
can make out what appears to be a tall, shadowy humanoid figure standing or moving within the
It looks like a dude in a morph suit. Like that's just, it's so defined. It's so overly defined. That's just a person. And then some stupid sound you added after.
house. The shape looks almost human, yet slightly off.
Bro, he's like full on grabbing the wall, dude. That's a whole ass person. Oh, you think how? I knew he wasn't sleeping on the couch. I knew he wasn't sleeping on the.
Dark, indistinct, and completely out of place in the quiet interior.
All right, come on, man. I feel like that one's just like kind of insulting. Outro? Since when does he do an outro?
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did,
Do we need that? I'm not sure. I feel like he just tries a different thing every other day. Like every video is like structured a little bit differently. Like, and then half the time it says 11 and there's like 9 videos. And it's like, wait, so we didn't even, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out the enigma that is Sir Spooks, but we're getting there one video at a time. This one was better, so we liked it. next video.